ready to sew on buttons onto the striped cushion cover. We're sewing them on the inside because then we button through the front. We haven't made buttonholes because this is quite easy to push your buttons through without making an extra hole. So I am starting so that I've got my button about 2 rows down from the top. I've done the middle one first so then I can line up the 2 side ones, and I have threaded my tapestry needle with yarn. So I'm just going to go through the button first and then leaving a bit of a tail there, and then place that on the cover. So I'm about 2 centimeters from the edge, 2 rows down. Oops, I'll move it so you can see it. I'm going through the cover and then back through the button. This is pretty thick yarn, so I'm just going to go a couple of times. Okay, and then secure it in place on the back there. Tighten it up. Now you can either snip it there or go back through. I think I'll snip it there so it's not so bulky on the other side, and snip my tail there. Alright, so we have our second button in place. Now we'll do the one on the other side. So once again I'm just going to thread my button first, just makes it a bit easier. I've got a bit of a tail there, and about 2 centimeters in. The top of the button is 2 rows approximately from the top. Go into the back, off the cover, out the other side, oops, and then come back through, in and out a couple of times. Go and secure, oops, the yarn. Right, and snip. And we are done. Here we go. Oops. So now we are going to button through. So I've already done this, so mine's a little bit stretched. So see how putting the button through stretches, so we don't need the actual buttonhole. So the first time it's takes a little bit of coaxing to get it through. And of course we're going to put our inner in first, but I am just demonstrating for you. So on this side, so you just sort of stretch the yarn over the button gently. Through we go, and then once more here. And there we have it, all buttoned up. And you can flatten that edge first if you prefer, just give it a little steam to flatten it before you button up your cover. All done.